And good morning guys. Ngayon kasi wala akong tinapay. Kinuha ko yung tinapay ng baba ko kung sa kailangan ko ang I need this 1 egg and 2 bread for my breakfast. So I will put, wait lang. I make like this guys. Nakikita ko ito sa nakikita ko ito sa DIY ng mga tao, di ba? Yan, ganyan. So, lagyan ko ng isang itlog. Konting pepper. At saka salt. Then, I put like this. See? Ayan. Microwave again. Yes. Okay, if you want this bread, you make like this also. No smell in the house because the employees don't like smell. So what I did is like that. This is my breakfast guys.